Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And if you're not new, thank you so much for your loyal support. I thank you so much, and I really thank all of you who take the time to comment and leave me likes. Thank you so much. Please remember to leave me a like, thumbs up, whatever you call it. It really does help. I don't know why I've seen some who have left the thumbs down. At first it really did bother me, thinking, does people really don't like my videos? I'm a people pleaser, and it really did bother me. But then it dawned on me that I wonder if they're saying they don't like the box I unboxed or something. And I don't know how that affects our channels as far as getting thumbs down. I would think it would be a negative thing, since thumbs up helps our channels. But anyway, please take a second and hit the thumbs up button for me. I know they say that does help. Something about when people search for certain content, it helps people's content show up better, is from my understanding. So please remember to do that for me, and I really do appreciate you guys. It really means so much to me to have you here and watching my videos. And I have for you my Boxycharm Premium. This came the other day with no notice from FedEx or Boxycharm. Usually FedEx will send me an email telling me that I have a package being delivered, and I didn't even get that. I have heard Boxycharm changed their people who, what do you call it? My brain just went zapped. I know what it was right on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, I have heard that they have changed, so it makes me wonder if maybe somebody different delivered my Boxycharm. But FedEx did send me an email about my Boxylux, and I don't think I got one from Boxycharm, but I did get it from FedEx, which makes me think that maybe I had a different delivery person or delivery company with the premium. Let me know if any of you got anything different. This, I can tell you what box variation I got, but I can't tell you what it weighed, because I usually look at the FedEx website, and since they didn't leave me anything email, and I'm trying to feel it to kind of guess, but since I didn't get anything from them, I don't know. Usually I'll go look. I'm trying to see. My Boxylux weighed 2.4, and I actually think my premium is slightly heavier than that, if that gives you any indication of what it weighed. I don't know, but it always, well, they don't always put all the extra on there. I guess it just depends on what they are shipping. So this time it did come with lots of bubble wrap. I did get Variation 3, and their theme this month is Bubbles and Glitz. Let's see, I've got this set up so I can tell you what it ends up, the total cost of the box, what it ends up retailing. And the first thing I'm going to pull out, it was my choice, was the Viseart Palette, and it retails for $80. Yeah, I still can't believe I know a lot of them do, but I can't believe that seems so crazy. It's a 12 pan eyeshadow palette, neutral mattes, a palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 Neutral Mattes palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu. I'm sidetracked. I apologize. It's okay. Centeredness in your environment. Add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look with this luxurious assortment of neutral hues and pale chiffon to warm cocoa and fuchsia dahlia that complement all skin tones beautifully. Again, this retails for $80. I apologize. Sometimes I think that people need to be reminded that even the ones that do channels, like, you know, really big channels, that we're all human and we all still make mistakes and we all have bad days. And I've seen people get kind of huffy with some of the bigger people who maybe are having a bad day or not really happy and jolly, and I've seen some that get their feelings hurt because of some of the things people say, like expecting them to always be upbeat. And so if you're watching this, please remember that everybody, I know you all do, I know the people who watch here, I talk to y'all, I know you're really great people, but I'm sure there are people who watch that I don't talk to, that I don't even know you're there, because I don't see you in the comments, and of course it don't show us who watched or who left likes, just that it was there. So just remember that we all have bad days, and today has not been the best, but I wanted to share this with you. So I chose the one with the pretty bright pink and the blue. Look at how pretty. And it is just a very simple palette, nothing fancy. Just no mirror, just what? Well, I'm trying to put it back in there, and let's see, the next thing is Luscious Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. This super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped in moisture upon waking. Retails for $65. Man, it's hard to believe. And it's Luscious. It comes looking like this. I do like Luscious. It's one of those products that I would normally never be able to get, but look at that pretty packaging. It is a glass bottle. Let's see here. Doesn't smell like much. See, it kind of has a milky look to it. Yeah, it kind of has a bluish white. One of those whites that's so white it has the blue. I was glad to get that. Let's see what it feels like. Okay. Oops, I left this out. baby. Okay, and the next thing, True Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. It says this retails for $46. This Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra-line textures and pure pigments and a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin-loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. And it comes like this. Slides out of there. Really nice size. Look at that. Really nice mirror. Yeah, I was going to say it looks kind of scratchy, but it has the mirror has the, well, if I can get it off, the little protective thing on it. So perfect mirror. And look at those colors. That's nice. That'll be a nice blush. Yep, really nice. I like this. It's so pretty. Look at that. I still have swatches on me from the last thing I did. Look at that. It's, I think, probably too dark as a highlighter. I don't know. We will see. Let's try. Oh, that's pretty. This one's called Heaven Sent. Yeah, that's nice. Nice. Yeah, this is really nice. Royal Pots of Gold, Royal Flush, 777s, Good Fortune, Heaven Sent, and Serendipity. I think those are really pretty. Yep. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This is a Fenty Beauty High Octane Pigment meets unexpectedly universal shades to complement all moods and all skin tones. An ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing soft matte finish in weightless color and tints shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. And this retails for $18. This is in the color Single. Look at that pretty packaging. Isn't that pretty? It's like mirrored. It's really pretty. And that is the color. Let's see here. Yeah, I like that. Let's put it on over this. I have a very matte on. I smeared it a little bit. So we got that. Yeah, it's still working. And then I got Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. This 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for application on all eyes or all eye makeup looks. The luxuriously silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. It says these retail for $34.95. So they come in white box. Let's see. So there's 5 of them. I think I've only tried Crown Brush one other time, and it was okay. So there are the brushes. Let's see if it says what they're for. I don't see. Am I overlooking it? Let's see here. Deluxe eyeshadow brush, a deluxe blending crease brush, a deluxe chisel shader brush, a deluxe precision detail crease brush, and a deluxe chisel shadow brush. It says they can be used with liquid powder and cream products. So there's one, nice and dense. I like them when they're like that. Sorry, that's my dishwasher getting finished. And then that is a nice one to me to do, like just to do right in the crease. And then we got this one. Looks like it will be a nice blending brush. And this one. And this one. So that's the brushes. I think that's a nice set. I was going to say, I don't know that I would want to spend basically $35 on 5 brushes, but I guess that's not actually a bad deal. And they do seem like good brushes, so we got that. And then the last thing is Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. The volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. This retails for $20. I'm eager to try this. I didn't know that these had the tubing polymers in it. That's pretty nice. So, comes in the pink box. It looks like this. I'll open it because I will probably review this next week. Oh, nice wand. Look, I like the smaller, more narrow ones. I don't really like the real thick ones. Nice. Okay, so we got that. So, to wrap it up, I got the mascara, the brushes, the glow kit, the 6 shades, the Elemis Plumping Moisturizer, the Viseart Palette, and the Fenty lipstick. And my box ended up retailing for $263.95. I think that's a pretty good box. What do you all think? Do you think it was a pretty good value? I like it. So that is it. And yes, we did have the card this month. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, love you guys. Bye-bye.